In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablet on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. XPPen Artist 12. The XPPen tablet monitor is a 12-inch digital tablet with a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a pressure level of 8192. It has a resolution ratio of 50/80 LPI and features a full lamination with a viewing angle of 178 degrees. The tablet comes with a stylus X3 Elite and has 8 shortcut keys for easy navigation. It is compatible with various operating systems including Windows, Mac OS, Android, Chrome OS, and Linux. With certifications such as CE, FCC, and PSE, it is suitable for drawing, animation, design, distance learning, online education, and online meetings. The tablet is available in black, blue, green, and pink color options and is also suitable for kids as a gift. Number 2. XPPen Artist Pro. The Artist Pro 16, Gen 2, is a cutting-edge drawing tablet armed with an X3 Pro Smart Chip stylus of 16K pressure levels, providing an expansive 16-inch display for artists and creators. It boasts the world's first 16K pressure levels, offering 100% higher pressure levels than its predecessor, the X3 Smart Chip stylus. The tablet also features 20% higher accuracy with the X3 Pro Smart Chip stylus, along with a 2560 by 1600 resolution and 99% sRGB color gamut for vivid and accurate visuals. The display is designed to be eye-friendly with low blue light emissions and fully laminated to avoid parallax errors. Additionally, the tablet offers a comfortable drawing experience with an anti-glare, anti-fingerprint etched glass screen, replaceable silica gel grip, and a wrist rest for ergonomic support. Number 3. HUION H430p Digital Tablets. The HUION H430p OTG drawing tablet is a versatile and portable device that is now compatible with Android mobile phones and tablets, making it perfect for drawing, playing OSU games, editing photos, and e-signatures. The battery-free stylus PW201 offers 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, 50/80 LPI resolution, and 233 pps lag-free report rate, allowing for precise and fluent creation. With 4 customized shortcut keys and compatibility with Windows, Mac, Chromebook, and Android, the H430p is suitable for artists, designers, students, and beginners. Please note that gloves are not included with the tablet. Number 4. GAOMON M1220 Graphic Tablet. The GAOMON Graphic Tablet is a versatile digital tablet with a 12-inch diagonal screen and a resolution of 1920 by 1080. It offers a high pressure sensitivity of 8192 levels and a resolution ratio of 50/80 LPI, making it suitable for professional graphic design work. The tablet comes with a package and is made of plastic, with a USB interface. It has a working area of 10 by 6.25 inches in PC mode and 6.25 by 3.5 inches in phone mode, with a report rate of 266 pps and a tilt of plus or minus 60 degrees. The tablet is compatible with Windows 7, Mac OS 10.12, and Android 6.0 or above. It also features 8 express keys, 13 multimedia keys, 1 dial, and 1 touch ring for added convenience. This GAOMON tablet is CE certified and offers a pen reading height of 10 mm, making it a reliable choice for digital artists and designers. Number 5. HUION H430p Tablet. The HUION H430p is a digital tablet designed for drawing and gaming, with a compact dimension of 186.6 by 139.2 by 6.3 mm and a working area of 121.9 by 76.2 mm. It features 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, for customizable press keys, and a report rate of 233 pps, making it suitable for playing OSU games with quick feedback. The battery-free electromagnetic resonance pen allows for continuous use in gaming and drawing, with 2 customizable buttons. It is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Android, and Chrome OS, and supports various drawing programs such as Corel Painter, Adobe Photoshop, and SAI. The tablet also comes with HUION V14 driver and HUION Sketch app for a more artistic experience.